Up, weirdos? So today I decided I want to go cruising, and guess what? I'm taking you with me. But first, I'm gonna need a couple things. I'm gonna need my glasses. I'm also gonna need a hat and my trusty hatchet. I'm good to go. What? Wait a second. Do you hear that? Is that rain?
That dude's tripping.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
Alright guys, so apparently it's raining. So I gotta come up with a different idea. Something else to do to entertain you guys. I got an idea. Avea, please don't be mad at me. It had to happen. Check this out.
Can I get a reason?
That looks like Nelly. Damn, check out that ride. What up, Juan? What up, weirdos? I'm good. You know me, I gotta stay fly. Alright, later, guys.
I worked the opening shift, midday graveyard in the red eye. This summer got done last winter, next winter right now. When will you boys realize? Gotta keep momentum. I never sit down, don't crease my denim. I just wanna eat more than them. That's why doors just keep opening.
Alright, guys, that's it. That's today's vlog. Couple things though before you go. I don't really know when I'm gonna be releasing my content. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, see where it goes. What else? Oh yeah, something very important. Listen, I need you to subscribe. Also, I need you to check out my other videos and possibly give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Doesn't really matter either way. I mean, it does, but it doesn't. If that makes any sense, I would really appreciate this. All right, later guys.